was not the word, not yet. There was no sacred alphabet, no subject, object, verb or tense. Sound had not been enslaved to sense. The void was neither dark nor deep. It did not, like some giant, sleep in cosmic unawareness, coiled, undreaming of a world unspoiled. No melody did gently wake this giant, nor did his soul take the shape of song heard in his dreams, so making real what merely seems. Instead, an undivided howl, a random preternatural vow. No beauty, truth, or goodness here, no sin, no shame, no guilt, no fear. There was no sacred alphabet. In the beginning was not the word,